distinguished guy was a puta. We can't go get perk every time. It's like police, I be listen to all the while. I just go 2 to 2 with him here.
Me never know say you listen to me, man.
I love your program.
Okay, thank you, man.
I see me begin to listen to you. Mr. T with the railroad program. So railroad come highly political. And my wife clear the railroad that objective. Although we see him have tough time on the road with it.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers at the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. Yes, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel is all about saving life, and that's our main priority here. Yes, we are not beholden to any political parties in Jamaica or anywhere, but we support the party or government who is willing to make Jamaican people's lives better, especially when it comes on to security. We would like to see the culture of the people change, by instilling these youths ethics, moral, decency, truthfulness, and to get rid of all the muck and this culture erosion that has been taken over and infiltrate our people's mind in Jamaica. You understand? So, that's what we're all about here, reading, and these youths need to read more. So, we are all about saving lives here at the channel, at the Jamaica Young Police channel. But some lives are not worth saving. They have lived a parasitic life and were not contributing citizens to the society. Hence, we'd like to find a way to get rid of them by any means necessary. The Jamaica Young Police channel is not for criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, beneficiaries, sympathizers, excuse specialists, and head hunchers in criminal underworld. At the channel, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we aid criminals with a passion. Yes, especially the criminal police officers. Yes, so this is part 2, the killing of Fowl and Oney British, and we're talking to this man who is one of they would say that the big spender who, in the thing, his name, I'm not going to call his correct name, but they call him Cool Breeze. And as you know, it is alleged that he's a convicted drug dealer in England. People always say them involved in music and all kind of thing. We receive all kind of threat, smear campaign and all of that. But from people who are connected to them, and look, we can tell all of you that's one thing. We're not afraid of anyone because we receive the best training when we're in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and we receive the best training when we're in the United States military. And here in the United States of America, we are the biggest informer. We don't like criminals, period. You understand? So, all of you head hunter who have been trying all kind of things, it won't work. But there's a thing that you call accountability. And you going to account for all of what you have done. So, we'll continue the journey. So, we wanted to listen to this woman. This woman is his sister. And listen to this man, his name is Breeze. I want you to listen to his sister and listen to what she has said. She claimed that she is the stepmother of Tulu. That's the man that Fowl's son had killed, allegedly. But the thing is that now, let's put things into perspective. Fowl's son had killed Tulu at a football game along with other men. Let the law take his course, them arrest him and charge him. You understand? But what these people wanted was for him to take his son to them because they are gods, Fowl to take his son to them for them to kill him because they are gods. And because he did not do that, they took Fowl's life. So this is how they did now. This guy Musser, Christopher, brother J. Ebert, an ex-police. He was a cadet. We were cadets together. He's deported from Canada. Yes, brother J is deported from Canada because he was arrested twice over there. I have a cousin who was a detective over there in Canada. Yes, same last name. First cousin. We used to live close by each other, and You understand? He was the first one in the family to get a bicycle when Uncle Lloyd bought it for him. You understand? This man, Christopher Brother J. Ebert, was deported from Canada, went to Jamaica. I don't know, him get a clean police record to come to America. You understand? So, you know, Jamaica is really a criminal's paradise. So no wonder, you know, they're rewarding people that commit crimes and send them to America, because they see right now America is the easy. Remember, you know, one time, you know, America was the hardest place for any illegal immigrant to come into, you know. America is the easiest place now. What is happening? Why is it so easy for criminals to come in? You understand? So no wonder why, you know, if Chris Christie get the nomination, he's going to become president, because what is happening now, it's not going to fly with the people, because Jamaican people do not want these people around them, period. So, you know, we continue the journey. We want you to listen to Cool Breeze sister and what she's saying about the death of these men. You understand? His sister, not my sister, you know. None of my family never rejoiced when these men were killed.
Yes, my son, me no know how to put it up on Facebook and how to advertise it loud. Yes, the whole bumbo clad that town down at Jamaica called dirty, ghetto, stinking, evil demons, you know. Well, I don't sit down where I talk here, there, and here about this and that, and this and that. And I come look for my fucking son, them, who no kill my son, but justice I go prevail. I mean, I want my son, them do nothing to, you know, we see what happened to the whole of, you know. If dirty rifle son and him dirty gangster friend, them never gang up on my stepson and stab him and kill him, all of this will come fucking about. So no say the finger now say look here, it has say look there on a dirty junk on a nasty sniper, on a sniper, who don't go and get sniper, and none of my son them snipe on a ras. Because there's a higher power, we higher than when him snipe, nobody now can chat to God when him do what him do. I got me serving, no, me not serve man. You think me believe in a man on a dirty that no one me them on a dirty nasty evil junk on a evil demon and evil spirit. When rifle son and him gangster friend them decide to gang up and pull and stab him on a dirty nasty junk or the whole uno no see that. Uno no see say it rifle son and him friend them take a innocent life with them not to do with nothing because them too hype and show off and dirty and evil. I bet you don't see that. But when I don't come try come talk about and me lose my opinion dead and gone. But justice I go fucking prevail. You understand? Me no need the whole of Jamaica bombo clad police and soldier them. Me I go get my fucking just reward for every evil demon. You hear? Because me have who for fight evil and demons for me. You understand? Evil people and demons me have who for fight it for me. And that no one the whole of them for know. Nobody now see say rifle and him dirty gangster friend them gang up my stepson and murder him and stab him innocently and gone where everybody are running mangy dirty slimy dirty junk or nasty mouth.
Yeah, so that's the man's sister, that's Cool Breeze sister, and she's the one there venting about the killing of Tully. That Rifle's son and his friends are allegedly killed at a football match, at a football game. I don't know what's wrong with these youth, but you know, if you have some differences, there must be a way to work out the differences. Why resort to violence and stab the youth and kill him? That is just madness. And we denounce such behavior by that youth, you understand? We don't support violence. There's other ways to solve your problems. Our biggest concern is that we're not giving credence to killing, to murder another human being. But what we're saying in the criminal world, all right, they said that they wanted revenge. Yes, because Tully should not have lost his life under such conditions, because you know it was a football game. They all knew each other, and there was no reason for him and the others to kill him. And they wanted revenge. Yes, all right. Well, so be the case. So if they wanted to kill Rifle's son, how Rifle become a victim now that they kill Rifle, and it's over 4 years now, and Rifle, his son, is still alive. Why they killed him? Why they kill Rifle then?
So they didn't want to kill Roy Fowl's son. They just wanted an excuse to kill the man because of bad mind. If you listen to Antoine, that's the woman that you have heard. That's her son, you know. So if you had listened to everything, you know that it's straight bad mind. Why they killed him? Nothing else. That's how ghetto people are. So we'll continue the journey. So I want you to continue to listen to the conversation between us at the Jamaica Young Police channel and Cool Breeze. Yes, you watch, you listen, you decide.
That's why I not go to the technology. The phone I tell me say I need to upload another new version of the WhatsApp.
Oh.
And my daughter did it for me. Yeah, I just leave them on. Because me and my kids them on she would see me. Yeah, man.
So what am your name, Andrew? What am to him?
Him there, you know. He's here.
Where am I going with it?
I would have him alright. I don't really see them, you know. But I in all honesty, I would have hope say him would have make more progress. But as a person where in a life, not necessarily because you can fly a plane, your brother or a family member go have that ability to fly the plane. Put it away there.
Yeah, true. Everybody, seven brothers, seven different minds.
A day before yesterday, a little brethren, a local youth who used to live up on my place, called me and tell me, say Andrew. Yesterday, you know what I mean? My brethren, Roddy Dread son. Andrew there, man. But me don't really see them after. I know everybody grown and an adult and I get on with them life. My youngest one at 23, you know, so. Yeah.
Well, I never him. Based on what him saying on my boss and them thing, and anybody finally listen that you know so that.
To me, when you listen to them two boy, listen to me. This is just me being blunt. Take me out tight as a person who know him. If you listen to the first voice note that came out, that to me was two bad mind boy attack, and unfortunately, them betray each other by putting out them voice note. But them say anything will go on that must
come on, like, yes, because I leak it.
That really still is embarrassing to me. To hear them thing that were him a talk about homeboy and one's word. Real talk. And them two man is my friend there. I don't make I shot and get old and gone for the next shot I country. And me and them are go good save me. I can't tell you that. But it's really sad for my name. I when I see my name on the something with the guy. I want my niece. I say, uncle, look at this, I see my name headline or something. I said, no, I have to try to reach out to you. When the first one came out, I never paid no mind because I said, somehow he must say, I don't really know about it. But people that want to talk about that is you, I don't know them or know them carrying on or them lifestyle. So I can't verify nothing. But where me is concerned, we just know say he don't understand. The only person who know in the thing is my nephew. But when this one come out now with my name for it,
because Bruce, between you and
I have to try and reach out to you.
If you listen to it, I say boy, I say me no know that Rasta man here. I say me know Breeze, me know Breeze brother.
Yes, brother. You did.
And you hear me say boy Wooly, I say boy one thing me know say boy Wooly is a cool man, Wooly is not a violent man and them thing there. Come, alright, you know say alright, between me and them thing there, you know say is Wooly why your nephew is still alive though, Andrew. Okay.
Yeah. But fair enough, I'm uncle, so I never know that, but...
Well, may I tell you that other thing there? Is, you understand? I mean tell Wooly, you know, I say Wooly, you better send him away now. You see my dead, you know. You understand? Because I mean I give Wooly for trouble.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. Okay.
Because, you know, Wooly, I'm a friend still though, you know.
Okay, that's good, man.
Yeah, man, because I only used to live in I see him near one of them things there, you understand?
It's really sad, but what would I love you for do? When you research or you do your fact finding, try and get, you know what I mean? Because, watch me now. When my nephew come on the first thing and talk about my uncle to this and centric the man and yeah, you know, so homeboy now him now a homeboy the man normally tell people that. Yeah. Even him call Pepper Goodison on the phone and put and I tell Pepper Goodison and me do this film and do that film. I'm so happy and I'm proud. But me not the person I go tell nobody say I'm do this and I'm do that. That's not me. Because what I do it for me do it out of
the goodness I have.
Love for God and as a friend. We don't do it for try brag and boast and that's not me.
When you don't know a certain one thing, when you come from you get one thing there, you understand?
Because how me look on it, anybody where can help a friend would agree. So me not different from nobody else. I know some me look on it. I mean, that's my way that to look on things. There are a lot of people where sometimes I will see them or talk to them and I'm saying, you know, remember when you give me this o'clock, so you did that to me? I mean, I do not remember and I'm not going to lie to you. Because I don't do it necessarily for remember. I do it because the person in need of it. I mean, do it for them.
And you could have given it to them.
In a position and I could have did it for them. So, you know what I mean? Even if, alright, I want to show you, if I was such this bad person, some people would have tried to make out because I'm hearing my name and them things. When you are married, who they am wedding? Angeli, Lena British, they am wedding. Yeah. A real time, I tell you.
Yeah.
The only reason why, the reason why him original wife, which is Ermi, never come to the wedding, is because she just couldn't make it. Me still close with homeboy family and them close friend them. Yeah, man, if they know, him inner circle knows it. Me good. The other day, I go down on the island, I'm there down on King Street. And I walk, and who that I buck up in a man there behind me and shout me. Now, elder, homeboy nephew. Come on, me and them good, man. Life and the work, we're good. They know. Them know the love we have for each other. But it's just people who don't know. That voice note that my nephew put out, that is the one that make people who don't know me, me doubt my loyalty towards my friends them. But me, you know, say, and I can understand people who don't really know me why they would really, you know what I mean?
So okay, so I'm gonna ask you, Breeze. So what's the reason for him to put it out and call your name? Like it's you behind it?
Listen to me. My question to you is, I do not know. Because if you listen the voice note, him said, when, and him, I tell you honestly, I don't talk to him since then, but when him said, is him friend him a talk to, and him friend record him, for example.
No, him said the voice note to him friend.
No, them a talk. No, them was talking, and him friend record him. Them a talk like how the Kiwi talk, and him record him. That's what happened. So him say him never expect him friend to put it out. But what am I saying was wrong? It goes to show you say him negative towards my brethren them. You have to be honest. It's not him put it out, it's him friend who put it out.
But that's what look here, between there and them thing, I understand that part there, but my thing is that you know, from a detective perspective, what is his reason for saying that about you involved in it? And I said, boy, man, I speculate that who killed Fowl, and him sound like him happy say Fowl dead, and then even after that him justify the reason why him did say that, because Tully dead and him brother get chopped up and all kind of thing, and Fowl not have nothing to do with it.
That is in the second voice, or like I said,
that's what I'm saying.
Send a message to him. When me send the message to him, I ask him why what am I do? Then him try to polish up him disrespect by explaining himself about Tulu this and whoever that, and start going to it in that way. But if you listen to the first voice note that came out, he
was talking to his friend like how me and you is talking now. And his friend recorded the conversation and put it out.
Well, that's why I'm asking. All right. We know what. All right. Based on what you're saying.
I cannot say the real.
He did not expect that the conversation would be made public.
Thank you very much.
Yes. So it was a private conversation. But you know what he said?
Yes.
What he said in private, I want it to come publicly. Is what he said. It was said in private that it wasn't meant for public consumption, but the public gets it. So the public is going to dissect it and come to their own conclusion.
Thank you very much. But there, what is there to dissect about it? Dissecting it, if you listen to the first voice note, yeah, that to me was who youth see people approach.
Breeze, him a older man for me, you know. You're never a bigger man for me, you know. You man know you like Andrew, you know. And even Andrew responsible and them thing there, because from your read certainly you just anything where you emit out of your mouth that come from your brain and your heart. So what you think.
Exactly. Exactly.
So that so that's why I am saying, what is his reason for involving you? For say, and literally, he not say it overtly, he must say it covertly that you have something to do with the killing of the man. And then now when everything busts out now and them thing, he must say, boy, the man, him the think I'm friend, the man betray him. But I saw it go on them thing there with people, you know. I get to we all we come from, you know. We come from Jonestown. Look here, from your 9 me know Oney and Carlos, and Oney used to live on Oney pick me them, you know. Paul and Mark and me and them used to run up and down, you know.
Yeah, man, Guava Road.
No, man, Waterford. Waterford.
Yes, Waterford. Yes.
Only baby mother that a Myrna sister used to live from Portland West, and them used to live from our part where a Cassandra way with Lenky.
You
know, me tell us from your 9.
You know, I'm gonna be home. You just call me.
Porter, I tell you what I was brief, brother.
Kenji, I will come. Just call me when you get home and I'll come and see you. Okay?
I tell you, man. I said, I'm link up, brother. I said, no, man.
Well, me shocking time, come in know him,
remember. Listen to me. Listen to me now. What I can say to you, yeah? Me not try to be who me is not.
Yeah.
How on earth my name get involved with people who do them kind of thing that in them way? Is only the powers of the Most High know. People who know me will know that that's got nothing to do with me. What I am concerned about is people that don't know me listen to stuff like that and put it in their way and think that I am a bad person.
And you have something to do with the death of the man.
Yeah, that's my concern. That's my concern, and that is just not me. And I don't know if I can convince you or convince anybody else. I know said man I call you or put me on to you. No, say me could never do something like that. That is just not me. That is not my lifestyle. I do not know. That is not my world.
There you go.
You know what I know? With I see it, as a man over the years, you have youths, garrison youths, get an opportunity to get a better life in a foreign, and before them come a foreign and try to
better themselves.
Positive with them life. Them get constantly on phone I feel like them is this and that. I come up for and do things and down there. So come here, so sit down with girl, talk this, that, and then two twos, then get a problem. Listen what I'm saying to you. This is not me. I do not know. But I don't know if I'll be able to tell you, I believe me, but I know say my two friends them gone. I'm there, agree for them same way, and it is ever painful to hear my name writing on the middle and stuff like that. And you're calling people name on that video, that voice note that I've never met. And it would sound, based on what I listened on this last voice note, that like it's me and them is friend, and me and them conspire for the stupidness. That is just unreal. Well, I do not know much, I don't know nobody, I don't know the person. So how on earth can I be involved with a person?
So we're coming to the end of part 2, you know, the killing of Fowl and Oney British. You know, it's it's over 4 years ago, not because, remember, even the worst person in the world, have people that miss them, that have loved ones. And it's good to get to the bottom of things. And if you have listened us asking, this man Cool Breeze some tough questions, because as we have stated before, anything that you have heard on the channel and it's incorrect and you want to correct it, come and correct it. And that's what he has done. And if you have listened to his answers, not only evasive, but you fill in the blank. It is just simple. If you can think, then you'll be able to come to a conclusion for yourself. If you can't and you're an ideologue or an argument robot, people can convince you that snow is falling in Jamaica when the sun is shining, because you're that inept of a person and you cannot think for yourself. But we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we can think. We can think for ourselves, so we don't allow others to think for us to draw any conclusion or infer anything. That's the reason why they say in the city, they say the best detectives, the best judges, and the best lawyers, and the best criminals are there. And it would be, so, as a trained detective, to investigate crimes and to gather evidence, I have been trained to interview suspects and to build cases over the years. It would be a travesty if a convicted criminal were able to outsmart a trained detective like me. Yes. Convicted criminals, on the other hand, are often very familiar with the criminal justice system. They may have been through this tragedy many times and know how to manipulate the system to their advantage. But a convicted criminal cannot outsmart a good detective. It could have serious consequences. The criminal could be able to avoid being caught, or they could be able to get lighter sentences. This could put the public at risk and undermine public's faith in the justice system. Detectives need to be aware that convicted criminals could outsmart them. They should be prepared to take steps to protect themselves and to ensure that justice is served. So that's why we know that there's no honest criminal. So no guy can trick we and set we up with propagandas and lies from where they are. Because with that, you just want to go that road, we just expose you as being a criminal. Once you come out with them thing there. Because we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we live by our credibility, our integrity, and our character. So a guy try to smear that you make we come out blazing. So you understand. So, and once we do all of them things to protect ourselves, and to ensure that justice is served. So here are some tips on how to outsmart criminals. You understand? So we are telling you that there's no honest criminal. So we just tell you this from based on our training and all, and you understand, because we're trained by the best. Be prepared. Do your research, know your opponent, so you have to know the modus operandi. So them a drug dealer are not honest people, because them a criminal, so you have to prepare, you understand, and listen to them. You can massage them ego to make them feel good and make them feel like you are friends, you are their friends. So the detective, you know how to use strategy and different tactics, how to get things from criminals. You understand? As you have seen, there is no honest criminal because the criminal record the detective video and send it to Ugly Some. And them splice it. But you'll hear that later on. Because we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, one thing we know for sure from we growing up, there is not a single honest criminal. Remember that, you know, the biggest informers are criminals. You understand? And we applaud, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we applaud the man who released Antoine recording, yes, of him celebrating the death of Roy Fowl and Warner British, and that his uncle Breeze had something to do with it. We believe him because he could not just get up and make up something like that. Why? For both him uncle kill him best friend them. Come on, man. Unless you're born yesterday or you're born under the moon. You understand? So, as a detective, you must always be patient. Don't give up easily. You understand? Be creative. Think outside of the box. Be persistent with your question. And listen. You see, once you ask a question, just listen to the different answers them. That's when you know that they're lying. So we train, you know. Them can't outsmart. We're not convicted criminal or no criminal can't outsmart. We know when them are lie. Because there's no honest criminal. None. Just remember that. So keep going until you have solved the case. By following these steps, and these tips as a detective can increase their chances of outsmarting convicted criminals and bringing them to justice. So that is what we are all about here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. So expose people in them criminal act. You understand? So if you believe that this man is innocent of being involved in the killing of both men, then you know you post it below. But we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we have a different conclusion. Coming up, you'll get part 3 shortly. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.